So we're at the beach in Terrace Bay, and I'm just so confused because it's a beautiful sunny day and the beach is completely empty and it's open. There's no sign saying that it's closed. Like, the beach is open, but there's no people at all.
Just cooking up some supper, and then we are going to go and explore the beach. Maybe we go for a swim before we get the girls down to sleep.
Fluffy's going swimming. Oh yeah. Hi, we're going swimming.
When the girls go to bed, we often try and take turns going down to the water, or if we can, we both go to the water. But the RV's a little bit too far back this time, so we're taking turns. And I just climbed up a bunch of rocks, so I'm out of breath. Okay, tell us again, Ivy.
We hiked up the tippy top of the cliff.
We hiked to the tippy top of the cliff. Yeah, we hiked to where I hiked to last night when the girls were in bed, so we could show them this beautiful view, and they had a lot of fun scrambling up the rocks using the rope to climb. What do you think of that hike, Luck?
Good.
Was it good? Now we're having a little snack.
Baby doesn't want any nuts.
And we're gonna enjoy the beautiful view before we hit the road.
Hello, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. We're at Augusabon Falls, and I am going to go crazy.
How fast are you gonna run, Ivy?
Like medium fast.
Medium fast?
Is that how fast I have to go?
Sure. Excited?
Yeah. Yes. I'm mistaken. Cheese.
Okay.
So we're at Augusabon Falls.
Rainbow.
Hi, we're at Rainbow Falls. And we're going to go on the boardwalk. Bye.
So we're here at Rainbow Falls Provincial Park. Today's our day to make it into Thunder Bay. So far we stopped at Augusabon Falls and we're going to slowly make our way west. So we're checking out Rainbow Falls, we're gonna see what it's all about, and then we're gonna hit the road again and continue on towards Thunder Bay.